Hey everyone! Welcome back to another episode of One Trip at a Time. It's another beautiful day here in Bangkok. The city is known for its iconic temples, and today we're out exploring what's commonly called the Big Three: Wat Arun, Wat Po, and the Grand Palace. In this video, we will be visiting Wat Arun, also known as the Temple of Dawn. Wat Arun is located right along the banks of the Chao Phraya River in Bangkok. It is famous for its stunning central spire, standing over 70 meters high, covered in colorful porcelain and seashells. Just look at these details. Every tiny piece of ceramic, plate, or pottery was placed by hand. Many of them actually came from old Chinese trading ships. Thai artisans repurposed them into these stunning mosaics. So what you're looking at isn't just decoration, it's recycled history embedded into sacred architecture. A living piece of art that has stood for centuries. If you want to appreciate the temple up close, you can actually climb up part of it. Just a heads up though, the steps are incredibly steep, like almost vertical steep. But don't let that scare you off, because once you start making your way up, you'll find yourself face to face with centuries-old mosaics, little floral patterns made from porcelain, and mythological figures carved into the stone. The name Wat Arun comes from Aruna, the Hindu god of dawn. Historically, Wat Arun was one of the first temples seen by travelers coming into the capital by boat. Arriving at dawn, they would be greeted by this glowing structure, making it a symbolic gateway to the city. The entrance to Wat Arun is 200 Thai baht per person. Wat Arun is definitely popular, and you will see plenty of visitors snapping photos and climbing the steps. But it's important to remember that this isn't just a beautiful landmark. It's an active and sacred place of worship for Thai Buddhists. You will often see monks here or locals making offerings and prayers. If you visit, be respectful, dress appropriately, speak softly, and take a moment to be still. Alright, that's it from Wat Arun. If you are ever in Bangkok, this place is a must-see. Thanks for joining us on this tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've been to Wat Arun or plan to. Until then, let's keep exploring the world, one trip at a time.